guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Missy, and the name of my new channel is Spicy Jollof Locs. So welcome and thank you so much for tuning in. If you just want to learn about how I am taking care of my new starter locks, keep watching. So about 2 weeks ago, rewind. So back in 2012, I cut off all my hair. I had a really low cut. I had a fade and it was awkward to say the least, but I grew to love it. And I've been natural since then. So I've been natural since 2012. So that's what, roughly 8 years. I'm not very good with math, so don't judge me. But more than that, more than 8 years or 6 years. No, 6 years. And, you know, I think over the years, I've just gotten really tired of my hair. And I don't really know why. Some days I don't want to comb it. Some days I don't want to deal with it. Some days I just have gotten really tired of it. So 2 weeks ago, I decided to put these little starter locks in my hair. And I really want to kind of give my YouTube channel a revamp. I still want to do a lot of beauty videos, and I still want to do product reviews and all that fun jazz, but I also want to include this amazing journey that I'm going on. And I've read that and I've watched a ton of videos. So, you know, having locks is a journey of your hair, but also just yourself, you know, growing into someone else or evolving. And I think in this stage of my life, I am evolving. So if you want to follow my journey and see my locks grow, please hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell so that you can see when I upload my next video. My plan is to upload weekly updates and then maybe an update on my locks. I just may do a video on some beauty products or making something, but I really want to move forward with creating content every single week. So stay tuned for more videos. I'm excited for all of you that are here. For the new folks, thank you so much for clicking on my video, and I look forward to comments and likes and so many other things. So until next time, I will see you. Bye-bye.